Alrighty, so I'm doing this video over a period of a week, I reckon, and I'll edit it together, see if I can make it one video. It might be a bit longer, but it might work. So, yesterday, we tackled the disaster that was the bottom of this pillar that somebody had just cut out. Oops, as I just dropped the camera, cut out and just left a gaping hole, and there was nothing to work from. So that was a copy of, got the masking tape, copied that side, reversed it, made that piece, fold, shrinked it as you saw in the time lapse, and then made that piece, and then cut it, leaned it over, welded it around there, then added in a little triangle piece there, which ended up being that shape. Which is what it's supposed to look like, and with a bit of filler on it, which there is none at the moment, you probably won't even notice. So we're going to tackle this section here. That'll be fun. Cutting out these holes is where the painful bit is, because they're square, and cutting out square holes is difficult. That's not that hard, that's just normal stuff. But I don't think we'll get much past about here by the end of the week, because I think the customer's money will run out by that point, because this stuff is horrendously time consuming. So yeah, I'll probably do this video, I don't know, I want to keep the videos flowing and keep people interested. But then of course I want to make the videos longer, but then of course I know that according to YouTube statistics, people don't watch the videos for that long. So it's a bit of a balancing act, and everybody likes different things, so I'll just do what I can. We finished up the BF Ute as well. That is going to Regency on Thursday, which is 2 days time. We've got it wheel lined, had all the stuff done, it's now beautiful. And then I'll do a wrap up of that video and see how much it ended up costing me. But yes, that's where we're at. Enjoy, keep watching.